ॐ ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ गीताध्यानम्। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयम् व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्न पारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरौ हरिकथा सम्बोधना बोधितम् लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद् पंकजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः। देवाय तस्मै नमः। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Gita session, where we are trying to learn a little bit of Sanskrit as we learn a little bit of Gita. We'll not lose the habit of doing our Shabda Rupavali, Dhatu Rupavali. So let's first chant it. Karanta Pullinga, Deva Shabdaha, Devaha Devo Devaha Prathama, Devam Devo Devan Dvitiya, Devena Devabhyam Devaihi Tritiya, Devaya Devabhyam Devibhyaha Chaturthi, Devat Devabhyam Devibhyaha Panchami, देवस्य देवयोः देवानां षष्ठी देवे देवयोः देवेषु सप्तमी हे देव हे देवौ हे देवाः संबोधन। अकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्ग वनशब्दः वनं वने वनानि प्रथम वनं वने वनानि द्वितीय वनेन वनाभ्यां वनेभ्यः वनैः तृतीय वनाय वनाभ्यां वनेभ्यः चतुर्थी वनात् वनाभ्यां वनेभ्यः पञ्चमी वनस्य वनयोः वनानां षष्ठी वने वनयोः वनेषु सप्तमी हे वन हेवने हेवनौ हेवन हेवने हेवनानि सम्बोधन आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग माला शब्दः माला माले मालाः प्रथमा मालां माले मालाः द्वितीया मालया मालाभ्यां मालाभिः तृतीया मालया मालाभ्यां मालाभ्यः चतुर्थी मालायाः मालाभ्यां मालाभ्यः पञ्चमी मालायाः मालयोः मालानां षष्ठी मालायां मालयोः मालासु सप्तमी हे माले हे मालाः सम्बोधन. Can we go into this speed? Okay. So let's start. So I'll just allocate the words and you all will do it. So Radhakrishnan ji will do Ikaranta, Pullinga Hari Shabda. Gayatri ji will do Ikaranta, Strilinga Mati Shabda. If your camera is on, I can allocate you. And Sumita ji will do Ikaranta, Napunsakalinga Dadhi Shabda. So let us finish the Hasva Ikaranta, Pullinga, Napunsaka and Strilinga. Let's start.
हरि शब्द इकारांत पुल्लिंग हरि शब्द हरि हरि हरयः प्रथमा हरिं हरि हरि द्वितीया हरिणा हरिभ्यां हरिभिः तृतीया हरिणे हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः चतुर्थी हरेः हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः पंचमी हरेः हरियोः हरीणां षष्ठी हरौ हरियोः हरिषु हे हरे हे हरि हे हरि हे हरे हे हरे
हे हरयः
हे हरि
हरयः संबोधन. ओके. नपुंसकलिंग
मतिः मति मतयः प्रथमा मतिं मति मतिः द्वितीया मध्या मतिभ्यां मतिभिः तृतीया मध्ये मतये मतिभ्यां मतिभ्यः चतुर्थी मध्याः मतेः मतिभ्यां मतिभ्यः पञ्चमी मध्याः मतेः मत्योः मतीनां षष्ठी मध्यां मतौ मत्योः मतीषु सप्तमी हे मते हे मति हे मतयः संबोधन.
एक्सेलेंट. नपुंसकलिंग दधि
दधि दधिनी दधीनि प्रथमा दधि दधिनी दधीनि द्वितीया दध्ना दधिभ्यां दधिभिः तृतीया दध्ने दधिभ्यां दधिभ्यः चतुर्थी दध्नः दधिभ्यां दधिभ्यः पंचमी दध्नः दध्नोः दध्नां षष्ठी दध्नी दध्नी दध्नो दधिषु सप्तमी हे दधे हे दधिनी हे दधीनि संबोधन.
वेरी गुड. ईकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग नदी शब्दः नदी नद्यौ नद्यः प्रथमा नदीं नद्यौ नदीः द्वितीया नद्या नदीभ्यां नदीभिः तृतीया नद्यै नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः चतुर्थी नद्याः नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः पञ्चमी नद्याः नद्योः नदीनां षष्ठी नद्यां नद्योः नदीषु सप्तमी हे नदी हे नद्यौ हे नद्याः संबोधन. Okay, now we will be doing Ukaranta. So Pulinga Shabda Gayatri ji, Guru, Strilinga Shabda Dhenu Radhakrishnan ji, and Napunsaka Linga Madhu Sumita ji. Those who want to chant should keep the cameras on. Till then, I'll not allocate a word for you.
गुरुः गुरु गुरवः प्रथमा गुरुं गुरून् द्वितीया गुरुणा गुरुभ्यां गुरुभिः तृतीया गुरवे गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः चतुर्थी गुरोः गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः पञ्चमी गुरोः गुर्वोः गुरूणां सप्तमी गुर्वौ गुर्वोः
Gurunam is Shashti. Guroho Gurvoho Gurunam is Shashti.
षष्ठी sorry गुरौ गुर्वेः गुरुषु सप्तमी हे गुरो हे गुरु हे गुरवः संबोधन.
धेनुः धेनुः धेनु धेनवः प्रथमा धेनुं तेनु तेनुः द्वितीया तेन्वा तेनुभ्यां तेनुभिः तृतीया तेन्वा और तेन्वा तेनुभ्यां तेनुभ्यः
धेन्वै धेनवे
sorry that is तेन्वै तेनुभ्यां तेनुभ्यः that is
चतुर्थी
chaturthi तेन्वाः तेनुभ्यां तेनुभ्यः that is panchami तेन्वाः तेन्वोः तेनूनां षष्ठी तेन्वौ तेन्वोः तेनुषु some that is saptami edeno edenu e tenavah that is sambodhana.
Excellent.
मधु मधुनी मधुनी प्रथमा मधु मधुनी मधुनी द्वितीया मधुना मधुभ्यां मधुभिः तृतीया मधुने मधुभ्यां मधुभ्यः चतुर्थी मधुनः मधुभ्यां मधुभ्यः पंचमी मधुनः मधुनोः मधुनां षष्ठी मधुनी मधुनोः मधुषु सप्तमी हे मधु हे मधुनी हे मधुनी संबोधन.
Perfect. दकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः तद् शब्दः सः तौ ते प्रथमा तं तौ तान् द्वितीया तेन ताभ्यां तैः तृतीया तस्यैताभ्यां तेभ्यः चतुर्थी तस्मात् ताभ्यां तेभ्यः पञ्चमी तस्य तयोः तेषां षष्ठी तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु सप्तमी. दकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग तद् शब्दः सा ते ताः प्रथमा तां ते ताः द्वितीया तया ताभ्यां ताभिः तृतीया तस्यै ताभ्यां ताभ्यः चतुर्थी तस्याः ताभ्यां ताभ्यः पञ्चमी तस्याः तयोः तासां षष्ठी तस्यां तयोः तासु सप्तमी. दकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्गः तद् शब्दः तत्तेतानि प्रथमा तत्तेतानि प्रथमा तेन ताभ्यां तैः तृतीया तस्मै ताभ्यां तेभ्यः चतुर्थी. Did I say for पुल्लिङ्ग तस्यै? I think पुल्लिङ्ग has to be तस्मैः. So स्त्रीलिङ्ग is तस्य. तस्मै ताभ्यां तेभ्यः चतुर्थी तस्मात् ताभ्यां तेभ्यः पंचमी तस्य तयोः तेषां षष्ठी तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु सप्तमी. So now राधाकृष्णन जी दकारांत पुल्लिंग एतत् शब्द, सुमिता जी स्त्रीलिंग एतत् शब्द एंड गायत्री जी नपुंसक एतत् शब्द.
पुल्लिङ्गम् एषः एतौ एते प्रथमा एतम् एतौ एतान् द्वितीया एतेन एताभ्याम् एतैः तृतीया एतस्मै एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः चतुर्थी एतस्मात् एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः पञ्चमी एतस्य एतयोः एतान् एतेषां षष्ठी एतस्मिन् एतयोः एतेषु सप्तमी.
एषा एते एताः प्रथमा एताम् एते एताः द्वितीया एते एताभ्याम् एताभिः तृतीया.
एतया.
Okay.
Did you say एतया? Sorry. तृतीया एकवचन is what?
हाँ एतया.
हाँ.
एतया एताभ्याम् एताभिः तृतीया एतस्य न
एतस्याः. ओ चतुर्थी एतस्यै.
हाँ एतस्यै एताभ्याम् एताभ्यः चतुर्थी एतस्याः एताभ्याम् एताभ्यः पंचमी एतस्याः एतयोः एतासां षष्ठी एतस्यां. What is it? एतस्याम् एतयोः एतासु सप्तमी.
एतत् एते एतानि प्रथमा एतत् एते एतानि एनत् एने एनानि द्वितीया
You should say like
एतेन
this. You should say not separately. You should say etat enat ete ene etani enani dvitiya, like that together.
एतेन एनेन एताभ्याम् एतैः तृतीया एतस्मै एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः चतुर्थी एतस्मात् एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः पञ्चमी एतस्य एतयोः एनयोः एतेषां षष्ठी एतस्मिन् एतयोः एनयोः एतेषु सप्तमी
मकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः किं शब्दः काः कौ के प्रथमा कं कौ कान् द्वितीया केन काभ्यां कैः तृतीया कस्मै काभ्यां केभ्यः चतुर्थी कस्मात् काभ्यां केभ्यः पञ्चमी कस्य कयोः केषां षष्ठी कस्मिन् कयोः केषु सप्तमी मकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गः किं शब्दः का के काः प्रथमा कां के काः द्वितीया कया काभ्यां काभिः तृतीया कस्यै काभ्यां काभ्यः चतुर्थी कस्याः काभ्यां काभ्यः पञ्चमी कस्याः कयोः कासां षष्ठी कस्यां कयोः कासु सप्तमी मकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्गः किं शब्दः किं के कानि प्रथमा किं के कानि द्वितीया केन काभ्यां कैः तृतीया कस्मै काभ्यां केभ्यः चतुर्थी कस्मात् काभ्यां केभ्यः पञ्चमी कस्य कयोः केषां षष्ठी कस्मिन् कयोः केषु सप्तमी okay so now we will have दकारान्त पुल्लिंग यद शब्द by Sumita ji दकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग यद शब्द by Gayatri ji and दकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग यद शब्द नपुंसक दकारान्त नपुंसकलिंग by Radhakrishnan ji
यः यौ ये प्रथमा यं यौ यान द्वितीया येन याभ्यां यैः तृतीया यस्मै याभ्यां एभ्यः चतुर्थी एस्मात् याभ्यां एभ्यः पञ्चमी यस्य ययोः येषां षष्ठी यस्मिन् ययोः येषु सप्तमी
very good
या ये याः प्रथमा यां ये याः द्वितीया यया याभ्यां याभिः तृतीया यस्यै याभ्यां याभ्यः चतुर्थी यस्याः याभ्यां याभ्यः पञ्चमी यस्याः ययोः यासां षष्ठी यस्यां ययोः यासु सप्तमी
very good
यत् ये यानि प्रथमा यत् ये यानि द्वितीया येन याभ्याम् एभिः तृतीया
यैः
यैभिः यस्मै याभ्यां एभ्यः यस्मै याभ्याम् एभ्यः यस्मात् याभ्याम् एभ्यः
पञ्चमी
यस्य ययोः येषां यस्मिन् ययोः येषु
षष्ठी यस्मिन् ययोः येषु सप्तमी
यस्य ययोः did I say यस्य ययोः येषां यस्मिन् ययोः येषु
yes yeah I was just repeating the vibhakti chaturthi panchami shashti I was just saying
oh I see. Oh sorry yeah sorry
okay okay दकारान्त त्रीलिङ्गकः अस्मत् शब्दः अहम् आवां वयं प्रथमा मां मा आवां नु अस्मान्नः द्वितीया मया आवाभ्याम् अस्माभिः तृतीया मह्यं मे आवाभ्यां नु अस्मभ्यं नः चतुर्थी मत्तावाभ्याम् अस्मत् पञ्चमी मम मे आवयोः नौ अस्माकं नः षष्ठी मयि आवयोः अस्मासु सप्तमी दकारान्त त्रीलिङ्गकः युष्मत् शब्दः त्वं युवां यूयं प्रथमा त्वां त्वा युवां वां युष्मान् वः द्वितीया त्वया युवाभ्यां युष्माभिः तृतीया तुभ्यं ते युवाभ्यां वां युष्मभ्यं वः चतुर्थी त्वत् युवाभ्यां युष्मत् पञ्चमी तव ते युवयोः वां युष्माकं वः षष्ठी त्वयि युवयोः युष्मासु सप्तमी so see within first 15-20 minutes we have finished dhyana shlokas also we finished this also if we have prepared that it will flow okay so now the comes the memorizing part of the patha dhatu who has memorized all the four
I've done
I can
I've
tell
done
two.
twice.
Okay.
okay so we'll have Radhakrishnan ji who has done all the four yes please Radhakrishnan ji
धातु लट् लगात् पठति पठतः पठन्ति पठसि पठति पठतः पठन्ति पठसि पठतः पठत पठामि पठावः पठामः Next is lung, that is Bhutakal. Apatat, apatatam, apatan. Apataha, apatatam, apatata. Apat, apatam, apatava, apatama.
Excellent.
Next is Prerana, so Lord. Padadu, padadam, padantu. Pada, padatam, padata. Pada, padani, padava, padama.
Perfect.
Next is Bhavishyakal. Padishyati, padishyataha, padishyanti, padishyasi, padishyataha, padishyata, padishyami, padishyavaha, padishyamaha.
Perfect. See, not even 2 minutes. When it's ready, it's finished in 2 minutes. Excellent. Okay. Anybody has done Atmanepadi? Gayatri ji, Atmanepadi, how many you have memorized?
No, I have memorized Paddadu Parasmaipada.
Parasmaipad.
Atman
Parasmaipad, how much you have memorized? Vartaman Kal and Bhutkal.
Bhutkal. I mean, Lat and Lot.
Okay, it's not Bhutkal then, Prerana.
Mm.
Okay. Let me hear from you your memorization.
Patati, Patanti, Padatha.
No, anyhow, no,
Patanti.
anyhow it cannot go. Pathati, patataha, patanti. You cannot bring patanti before. Cannot.
Patati, Patataha, Patanti. Patasi, Patatha, Patatha. Patami, Patavaha, Patamaha. Patatu,
Patatam.
Patatham, Patatham, Patantu.
We cannot say tha and the alternatively because we have to be specific. Patatam, the only. Alpa prana only should come.
Patatu, Patatam, Patantu. Pata, Patatha, Patatham,
Patatam,
Patatha,
patata.
Patatha. Patani, Patava, Patama.
Very good. Sumita ji, how much you have memorized?
Actually, last Wednesday, I was out of Miss House, so I didn't attend your session. But I have memorized actually both Bande and Patati, but I didn't remember.
Okay, so next week come prepared with all the four.
Okay.
Radha
Okay.
Krishnan ji, have you memorized Atmanepadi?
Vandadatu, yes.
Okay,
Let
let's.
lagar. Vandade, vandede, vandante, vandase, vandete, vandatve, vande, vandavahe, vandamahe.
Perfect.
Next is lung, bhutkal. Avantada, avantetam, avantanta, avantathaha, avantetam, avantatvam, avante, avantavahi, avantamahi. Next is prerana. Vandada, vantetam, vandandam, vandasva, vantetam, vandatvam, vandai, vandamahai, vandavahai.
Vanda Bahai
Vandavahai,
Vanda.
vandamahai. Yeah,
Ah,
mahai.
hmm,
Now, Bhavishyakal,
good.
Vandishyate, Vandishyate, Vandishyante, Vandishyase, Vandishyate, Vandishyatve, Vandishye, Vandishyavahe, Vandishyamahe.
Excellent. Well done. See, we have not even completed first half an hour, but our entire revision is over. So, how much we used to struggle first 45 minutes, we are trying to say the words only. And now, when it is all ready, it's so easy. So, maybe just keep the continuity. It will just be our breath. It has to be our breath. You wake up from the sleep, also, if anybody asks us this, it should come, it should flow. So, next week, please do that Parasmaipat Patadhatu and come in all the four, not half. Present, future, past, prerana, everything. Because we've been doing this for past 6 months now. So it should be memorized. Okay. Fair enough. Now let's progress in our class happily. So we are in fourth chapter. We have seen first 17 mantras. We have to go ahead with 18 mantras. Yeah, 18th one. And then, one moment. Start directly with Radha Krishnan ji. Karmanya karmaya pashyet. So ending.
कर्मण्य कर्मय पश्येत्
So ending. Pashyet. Akarmani cha karmayaha.
अकर्मणि च कर्मयः
Sabuddhiman manusyeshu.
स बुद्धिमान् मनुष्येषु
Sayuktah kritsna karma krit.
संयुक्तः कृष्ण कर्मकृत् कर्मण्य कर्मयः पश्येत् अकर्मणि च कर्मयः स बुद्धिमान् मनुष्येषु संयुक्तः कृष्ण कर्मकृत्.
So now let's open up the sandhis. Karmanya karma. Karmani akarma. So what sandhi?
Yeah, so yan
Yan
E
sandhi.
plus
Yan sandhi, Gayatri ji, Sumita ji. Yan sandhi. E and A is going to form Y. Yeah. So karmanya karma. Karmani akarma. Yaha is remaining yaha. Pashyed akarmani. Pashyet akarmani. The has happened over there. Any name for this sandhi? The is becoming the what one Vyanjana sandhi?
Jastva Santi.
Jastva sandhi.
Yeah.
Jastva sandhi. So you will have to write it out over there. Jastva sandhi. Very good. Next. Cha karma yaha. There is no sandhi over there. Then Sabuddhiman, no sandhi. Manushyeshu, no sandhi. Sayuktaha, saha yuktaha. Visargas lopa in that saha. Yeah. So there is a sandhi. Saha has to happen. Yuktaha. Then krutsna, karma krut. So nothing over there. So now we got all the words. Karmani, akarmaha, akarmani, akarma, yaha pashyed. Karmani. Which vibhakti it would be? Saptami ekvachan. Saptami. So we should be able to, even if we have not done a nakaranta word, karman is the shabdam, nakaranta, we have not done. But from that, we have done similar kind, you know. Like we have said, when we are doing the karanta, asmat shabda, we said mai. So we should be able to relate something from here and there. And so karmani is the seventh case. So karmani. So when we are saying saptami, saptami is giving us the location, means, so if I say deve, or yasmin, or tasmin, means what? In that, or on that. So karmani. Karmani is in action, in karma, karmani, in karma, saptami. Okay. Karmani, in karma, karma yaha paschet. In the karmani, akarma yaha paschet. In action, in karmani, akarma. In action, no action. In karma, yaha paschet. Yaha, we have seen now. Yat shabdas. Ekvachan, Prathama Vibhakti. So yaha pashyet, who sees? In karma, akarma, in action. Then karmani cha, then akarmani cha, karmayaha. And in akarmani, in akarma, in inaction, karmayaha paschet. Are you seeing what I'm trying to say? In action, those who are saying inaction. And inaction, who is saying action. कर्म में जो अकर्म देखे और जो अकर्म में कर्म देखे. Sumita ji. So now we should be able to understand that much. Karmani karmayah paschat. Akarmani karmayah paschat. Got that first line clear? Saha buddhiman. Saha taute. Oh, that sandhi did we open? Yes, we did open. Saha. No, we didn't open that sandhi. We opened the second saha. So the first saha. So that is also visarga sandhi. Visarga's lopa has happened. So saha. So he is. Tat shabda. Pullinga. Saha. He is buddhiman. Manusheshu could be which avibhakti? It will be like deveshu. So deveshu is which vibhakti? हाँ. Saptami Bahuvachan.
बहु सप्तमी.
Saptami Bahuvachan. Okay. So amongst all the men, who is he is the Buddhiman. Saha Yuktaha. So Sandhi open over there. Yuktaha, the one who is Yukta means who has integrated his body, mind, and speech. So whatever we think, we may not say. And whatever we are saying, we may not do. Our personality is like that. But for yogis, for Mahatmas, their personality integration has happened. So, Yukta is the one who has integrated physical, mental, spiritual level, action, inaction. They have integrated themselves. So, Saha Krutsna Karma Krut. Though he is going to be Krutsna means completely, full. Krutsna Karma Krut. He is the one who is in complete action or who is doing his karmas perfectly or aligned his karmas also, or how to do the karmas he knows. Right now, when I am talking, I'm taking the credit of my talking. So, my intention can be anything which you are not knowing. There is a subtle thing in my head going on. So, we cannot see if a person also talks nicely, what is the intention behind that? We don't know. Correct. So those subtle things are also counted to get the result of the fruit. And rather that intention which is not seen, the action may be visible outside, but that intention which is not visible outside is the deciding factor at what level that person is and how the fruit of that action is going to come. So for a yukta, his mind and speech and action are aligned. So whatever he does, that is not affecting on him. So he is truly performing the action. Outside world, I am performing action to gain something. My selfish motive is always there. For Yukta, it is not like that. They perform for the Loka Sangraha, for the benefit of all mankind. Karmanya karmaya pashyet अकर्मणि च कर्मयः स बुद्धिमान् मनुष्येषु स युक्तः कृत्स्न कर्म कृत्. Sumita ji, the next one now we will go ahead. यस्य सर्वे समारम्भाः
यस्य सर्वे समारम्भाः
कामसङ्कल्पवर्जिताः
कामसङ्कल्पवर्जिताः
ज्ञानाग्निदग्धकर्माणम्
ज्ञानाग्निदग्धकर्माणम्
तमाहुः पण्डितं बुधाः
तमाहुः पण्डितं बुधाः यस्य सर्वे समारम्भाः कामसङ्कल्पवर्जिताः ज्ञानाग्निदग्धकर्माणम् तमाहुः पण्डितं बुधाः.
Very good. Yasya, which vibhakti of which shabd? All can keep their mics unmuted
Yes.
only. Means, yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Yasya.
Of,
Sixth.
yeah, 6K. Shashti vibhakti. Which shabda?
Yeah. Sapt. Yeah. Yeah.
Yad. Yeah.
Yad,
Yeah
yad.
is a prathama ekvachan. Yad. Yad shabdas pullinga.
Sorry.
So, yasya. Sarve. Sarve is all. Samarambhaha. Whatever they have taken actions. All arambha. Oh no. What? First let us open the sandhis. Kama sankalpa varjitaha. We are not doing anything over there. Jnanagni dagdha karmana is also in one word we are keeping. Tamahuhu. Tam ahu. So what sandhi? Tamahu. It is just joined. Tam is halantama. Ahu. So we have just joined the swara into it. Panditam buddhaha. So there is no sandhi over here. Okay. So it's a samasa. Samasa we are not taking into it. Let's see now. Yes, yeah. Huh? So it is apostrophe S. Whose. Sarve. All. Everything. Samarambhaha. Whatever actions they are doing, whatever undertakings they have taken, they are kama and sankalpa varjitaha. Kam is desire. Sankalpa is motive. So whose undertakings of all the actions is without any desire and motive. For us, it is not like that. No? मेरा क्या फायदा होने वाला है उससे मुझे क्या मिलने वाला है what I'm going to get out of it anything കിട്ടും ഞാൻ എന്തിനാ ഇത് ചെയ്യണം so we have these kind of things in our head but whose actions or undertakings are kama and sankalpa varjita kama desire sankalpa intention motive they how are they jnana agni dagdha karmanaha jnana so when we have to sow something the seeds those grains if we roast them fry the seed then that seed doesn't sprout so we take the moong and we put it in water and the moong sprout will come but if you roast the moong it will not sprout so it has burnt off and it will not germinate jnana so those wise people those sannyasis those mahatmas with the fire of the knowledge their action has gone burnt then what phala it will a sprout will come so with the jnana agni fire of the knowledge dagdha karmanaha karmas have been burned that means they are not generating new sprouts new that phala of that karma every action needs a phala correct if you do an action karma phala is going to come but for a jnani that karma phala is not coming just like the roasted seed new germination is not happening sprout is not happening like that for a jnani when their actions are burnt in the fire of the knowledge that karma is not generating new karma phala tam is which vibhakti of which shabda
Tat.
that the shabda pullinga
Tattetani. So
no
can be
tam not
tam. Oh,
tattetani sorry
tam tautan. That is
pullinga
Didiya. Yeah.
पुल्लिंग शब्द द्वितीय एकवचन सह तौ ते प्रथम तं तौ तान् द्वितीय so tam is there no so tam he to him it is being called as he as pandita is a jnani so he the buddhaha the one who are the jnanis call this person as pandita as a rishi in that sense it is so one who can do the actions without getting affected by that action just imagine us in doing any action, what is our motive? Why are we working? Why are we doing the things that we just analyze in our mind? What are we trying to do in life? Why are we doing in that? Okay, I'm a doctor. I want to serve people. You want to really serve people? You don't take any money from people. Huh? Nee, you'll get angry if this is not happening then. How to sustain then life? Are we so selfless? There is one selfish motive. The extent of that selfish can be big or small. So is a taboo for earning money? No, I'm not saying money is bad. It should come. But then we put a charge on that. Teacher. Are all teachers selfless? No, they do it with the livelihood. So having a livelihood, is it a problem? No, that's not a problem. But how much it's associated with the money and how much it is associated with the action of teaching. So many times what happens? 9 to 5 is my job. So later if the kids are coming, my काम तो खत्म हुआ अभी कल बताएंगे. Who is going to say 24 hours attending all the students? No, it doesn't happen. So you work according to it. Then you get all those in the corporate also you will have so many. So if there is for our action there is certain kind of motive, completely selfless, serving. We can say it easily, but to actually do is a quite a thing. So yasya, whose karmas are kama sankalpa varjita, they are called as pandita. Who calls them pandita? Buddhas call them pandita. Buddhas are wise people. Why? Because their karmas are roasted in the fire of Jnana Agni Dagdha Karmana. Yasya sarve samarambhaha kama sankalpa varjitaha Jnanagni Dagdha Karmanam Tamahuh Panditam Buddhaha. Gayatri ji, number 20. त्यक्त्वा कर्मफलासङ्गम्
त्यक्त्वा कर्मफलासङ्गम्
नित्यतृप्तो निराश्रयः
नित्यतृप्तो निराश्रयः
कर्मण्यभिप्रवृत्तोऽपि द्वित्वा is there भिप्रवृत्त
कर्मण्यभिप्रवृत्तोऽपि
कर्मण्यभिप्रवृत्तोऽपि अल्पप्राणम्
कर्मण्यभिप्रवृत्तोऽपि
he is a महाप्राण भिप्र
कर्मण्यभिप्रवृत्तोऽपि
कर्मण्यभि भी is a महाप्राण कर्मण्यभि
कर्मण्यभिप्रवृत्तोऽपि
नैव किञ्चित् करोति सः
नैव किञ्चित् करोति सः त्यक्त्वा कर्मफलासङ्गम् नित्यतृप्तो निराश्रयः कर्मण्यभिप्रवृत्तोऽपि नैव किञ्चित् करोति सः.
Okay, first let us open the sandhis. Tyaktva is a tvanta avyay. There is no sandhi there. Karma phala sanga, no sandhi. It's a samasa. Nityatrupto is becoming nityatruptaha. Visarga sandhi. Nirashrayaha. Okay. Then karmanyabhipravrittopi. So over there, karmani abhipravrittaha api. So what are the sandhis over there?
Purva Rupa Sandhi, yes. So
where is Purva Rupa Sandhi over here? Which one?
Oh, Visarga Sandhi. So
No, where is Purva Rupa? Which is the word you tell me? Because there are so many sandhis out in that one word. So of that,
Pravrittopi.
Pravrittaha api over there. Okay, Purva Rupa, Visarga, all. Okay. Then, but what is Karmani Abhipravritta?
Karma. Vriddhi Sandhi?
No, it's a Rasma where Vriddhi has happened. Why so difficult? Karmani, Abhi, Karmanya. E and A is giving ya. We saw so many times. Which is it?
Yeah, Yen Sandhi. Yen Sandhi.
Yen Sandhi. That was so simple. Karmani, Abhi. Huh? So, Karmanya Abhi. Karmanya Abhi. Ya has come. It's Yen Sandhi. Naiva. Na
Na
eva.
plus na eva.
So, which
Vriddhi
Sandhi?
Sandhi.
Oh,
Vriddhi
here it is a
Sandhi.
Vriddhi Sandhi. Correct. Kinchit karoti saha. There is no sandhis over there. All independent. Satyatva. Svantavya. Having doing one action, you are going to another. Like patha dhatus, svanta will be pathitva. Having read or having studied, I'll be aham pathitva griham gacchami. I will study and go home. Aham pathitva khadami. I will study or I will read and then I will eat. So you are doing two actions. First action you are completing. After completing one action, which next action you are going to do? That is represented by Tvantavya. Okay. If you all are interested, I can give some homework in the WhatsApp group to make Tvantavyas of some of the verbs. Are you okay with that? Can I give?
Okay with okay.
So not much. I'll give you about 5 or not more than 10. Not so much. So you have to just write Tvantavya of it. Let us see how it's possible. Ah, I forgot. Sorry. Last week we said about that Bodhavyam, no? That Tavyataniyar. And I said we will do. So what I'll do in the WhatsApp group itself, I'll give you some more examples of Tavyataniyar. And then I'll give you some homework on Tavyataniyar also, not more than 10 words. Yeah. So last time we said, no, like Kru Dhatu, huh? So Karoti, we have, no, like a Karoti. So of that, if you have to do Tavya or Aniyar. So Tavya means, this is a pratyay, like how Tvanta, like that Tavya. So of that Kru, it will become Kartavya. Tavyat. Aniyar, Karaniyam. So something there we insist of doing. That is denoted by this Tavyat Aniyar. Tavyat Aniyar. So I'll write this in the WhatsApp group. I'll give you some about 10 examples. And then we'll do some small work, no? So it will remain. When you see that word anywhere else, then it will strike. Oh, this is Tvanta. This is Tavyat Aniyar. So this Tvanta, another part of Tvanta is Lyabanta. Okay. I think we have spoken about it, but because we are talking now little, I'll just speak little more. Let's say Gama Gacha Dhatu. Okay. So how Gama Gacha Dhatu, like Patha will go Gachami, Gachavaha, Gachamaha. Okay. Gachasi. So like that, Gachati. Like that Gama Gacha Dhatu is there. Now of that Gama Gacha Dhatu, if you have to do Tvantavya, can you guess what it will be? Yes?
Gatva.
Gatva, correct. So Gatva, Gatva, correct. Now let's say for this Gama Gacha Dhatu, Gatva means having gone. Aham Griham Gatva Khadami. So I will go home and then I will eat. So you are going to eat. Aham Khadami. But Griham Gatva Khadami. Aham Rugnalayam Gatva Rugnam Pashyami. I will go to the clinic and then I will see the patients. So having done. But this is Tvantavya. Same meaning is same, but let us say if we for Gama Gacha Dhatu, we are taking this Dhatu and we put a prefix A. So A plus Gama Gacha. So Agachami. Aham agachami means coming. Gachami, I'm going. Agachami means I'm coming. So now when the prefix is there, no, now a is a prefix. So for the dhatu, when the prefix is attached, then there is not tvanta. Meaning is same. Then there is lyabanta. So it will become not agatva. You cannot say like that. Having come home, I will drink milk or so then it will become lyabanta. That means it will become agatya. Yakara will come. So twa will happen when there is no prefix to the dhatu. And lya will happen when there is a prefix to the dhatu. Meaning is same. Completing one action and then doing. Okay. So I'll give some homework on this aspect as well. Oh, so many homework you are giving. You said little homework and so on. But it is fun to do. Some examples you will read first. And then seeing those examples you would be able to do. Okay. So we will see how we can complete this Gatva. This Tvantavyayas, this Lyabantas, and Tavyataniya. Some practice homework of this. So keep in your grammar one notebook one side ready to write all this. Okay. We'll come back to our words. Tyaktva. So tyaja. Tyaja is to abandon, to leave. Having given up what? Karma phala asanga. Desire for the karma phala. So I do all my actions for the phala that I'm going to get, correct? Anything I'm prompted by what I'm going to benefit. My actions are like that. All my actions of what I am benefiting. So that karma phala is asanga tyaktva. Having given up the desire for the karma phala. When that person also who is nitya truptaha, content. Not like that, oh, Swamiji has said you have to be. So outside, okay, you can do whatever, I'm not worried. And inside, our mind is, oh my God, I wanted this. Now in front of Swamiji, how am I going to say my Guru has said this? Finish. So that is not inside trupta. So I don't have a asakti on the karma phala that I should get this. And that desire is not bothering and killing me inside. Outside, I might be calm, but inside, if I'm having that sensations and irritations and frustrations built up because I'm not getting what I want, then that is not nitya truptaha. And nirashrayaha. My happiness is dependent on something. If I get this, I'm happy. If I don't get this, I am not happy. Or this person. So a person or a thing or an experience, my happiness is dependent on that. If my son comes today to visit me, I'm happy. He's not coming, so I'm sad. I get this to eat, so I'm happy. I wanted that, but I'm not getting that. So I want to repeat some experience in my mind. So our happiness is ashraya bhuta. This person's happiness is nirashraya. This contentment is not because it is irrespective of whatever that person is. Okay. Then that person, karmani, in the action, abhipravrittaha. He is doing the actions. Abhipravrittaha. He is engaged in his actions. Api, then also, though he is engaged in the actions, na eva, not at all. Kinchit, even iota of it, even little bit. Saha karoti, he does the action. So this Pandita, which we have seen in the previous verse, his actions are so devoid of karma phala asanga, and he is independent. He is nirashraya. His joy is not ashraya on anything. And he's so content that you might see him, okay, he's drinking water, he's going over there, he's going to the talk, he's doing the temple visit, or he's sitting, or he's sleeping, or he's talking to somebody. You might see him doing the actions, but karmani abhipravrittopi naiva kinchit karoti saha. He is not doing any action. He's not bound by those actions. But we are bound, huh? What we are eating, where we are going, to whom we are talking. We always have some motives, some intentions, what benefit I'm going to get. We have that. This person, इत्यतृप्तः निराश्रयः. Clear? Verse number 20. त्यक्त्वा कर्मफलासङ्गं नित्यतृप्तो निराश्रयः कर्मण्यभिप्रवृत्तोऽपि नैव किञ्चित् करोति सः. Beautiful verses are these. These verses should encourage us that how we should be. Do we have time? Yes, we'll do one more so Sumita ji can get a chance to chant, huh? Because only 3 cameras are on, I see today, so we'll do. Nirashiryata chittatma
निराशीर्यत चित्तात्मा
yakta sarva parigraha
त्यक्त सर्व त्यक्त सर्व परिग्रहः.
Yeah, so when we do pari, it will become dirgha. Parigraha, when we hold on to the dvitva, automatically that rasva sound will come. Parigraha, yakta sarva parigraha.
त्यक्त सर्व परिग्रहः.
शारीरं केवलं कर्म
शारीरं केवलं कर्म
कुर्वन्नाप्नोति किल्बिषम्
कुर्वन्नाप्नोति किल्बिषम्. निराशीर्यच्चित्तात्मा त्यक्त सर्व परिग्रहः शारीरं केवलं कर्म कुर्वन्नाप्नोति किल्बिषम्.
So let us open up all the sandhis. We'll try to do it. Nirashihi. So Repa has gone. What sandhi?
Visarga Sandhi.
Yeah, Visargas Repa. So Visarga sandhi. Yata chittatma. We have no sandhi over there. Yata chittatma. Then Tyakta sarva parigraha. No sandhi over there. It's all samasas. Shariram, kevalam, karma. Then kurvan. See the sandhis over there. It's only joined. It's not. It's all kept together. Kurvan, na, apnoti. It's only joined together. Kurvan, na, apnoti, kilbisham. Okay. No sandhi out over there. Clear? Now let us see. Nirashihi. Asha is desire. Nirasha is not what we in Hindi we say nirasha means disappointed. No. Nirashihi means without any desire. जिसको कोई आशा नहीं है वो निराशी ही होता है. So without any desire, yata chittatma. Chitta atma, mind and self is yata. Like we found that word in yukta, is controlled, self-controlled person. And tyakta, having given up, sarva parigraha. Whatever he has, he's not attached to it. He's given up everything. Whatever all the possessions. Half of the time we have so many possessions and worried about that. My house, my thing, my car, my jewelry. So many my's we have. So these he has left his I-ness, but he has left his minus also. It's not there. Tyakta sarva parigraha. My. Tyakta. Shariram kevalam karma. Body is there, so actions are merely going to happen. He's doing the action. But kurvan, even he is doing the action, na apnoti, he is not acquiring. Na apnoti. Apnoti is to acquire. Na apnoti is not acquiring kilbisham, any sins. He's doing the bodily actions, but he's not acquiring any sins. The lotus leaf is in the water, but it is not getting wet. He is living in the world. Body is there. Shariram kevalam karma. Body will do the actions. He will go, he will sit, he will talk with people, he will eat, he will sleep, he will do everything. Shariram kevalam karma. Shariram is there, karma is happening. But Purvan, doing all that also, na apnoti kilbisham. No kilbishas are acquired. No papas are acquired. By whom? By that Panditam Buddha, which 2 verses ago we saw. Person who is doing the actions is not acquiring anything. For us, will it happen? No. We want so many things. I didn't get this to eat. They got it over there. This marriage thing, now marriage, so many marriages are happening, now this weekend and all, some big murta. You have got so much mana and apmana in that marriage, huh? They didn't invite me in this way. They send a invitation through WhatsApp. They didn't come home and invite. But still I went. But I was not received in this particular way. That first people who sat for the first round of food, they got this. Later on, we didn't get. Everything was finished. I didn't get this to eat. They did. How much of mana and apmana? This I got, this I didn't get. How much we carry in our act. What is the purpose of marriage? Is go and bless the couple. Huh? But the association of that is with so much of protocols, as if some sky is falling down. Instead of enjoying all that, our actions, I'm talking about one example because now this is like the marriage scene. Anything. You go in any temple also or any ashram also, hierarchy, mana and apmana and the desire and holding everything you will see. So these are like the eye-opener verses. We should all memorize these verses. निराशीर्यत चित्तात्मा त्यक्त सर्वपरिग्रहः शारीरं केवलं कर्म कुर्वन्नाप्नोति किल्बिषम्. Good. We have progressed little bit today. Last week we did only 2 verses. Today we could do little more. How many we did? Did we do 3? Yeah. Or 4?
4.
Okay.
4 verse.
Okay, so Sumita ji, you had chanted before? No, you didn't chant. Then who chanted the 4th verse?
No, 4th verse I have chanted.
Uh,
From
First verse,
18th.
first verse Radhakrishnan ji chanted, right? 18th one?
Yeah.
19th one you did. Who did that?
I think I stopped.
That,
What did I stop?
Did we miss?
Karmanya karmaya. 18th onwards.
no,
Okay, 18, 19, 20, 21. Did we miss any verse in between?
18th.
18th you did?
Yeah.
Jnanagni, who did Yasya Sarve? Oh, nobody chanted Yasya Sarve Samarambha. Oh,
I
I
have
think.
chanted. Actually, I have chanted.
That's what. Then 2 verses give. This is what I'm saying. I
Yeah,
thought for
I got 2
3
verses today.
verses. Okay. There's a missing. They can't did the 4th. This is okay. Fine. Any questions? Any doubts in today's session? Great. So we are progressing good. Now today's our Shabda Rupali Dhatu Rupavali has set. It is set at 25 minutes, including the Dhyana Shlokas, 5 minutes of prayer. So we have set it at 20. We can still do better. So practice little more. But next week, Patadhatu should be thorough for both of you. Those who are hiding with the camera close, next week come prepared so that you will not hide from me and you will memorize it and come. Those who have opened the cameras have not memorized, but they are showing guts to come on cam. So please come. Okay, Arunji, good to see you. Hari Hari. So next week we will have.
Sorry, I just landed from a flight, so I couldn't. I mean, I just
Oh.
wanted to hear. I didn't have chance to open up my files and all that,
Okay, where you had come, where you had gone to overseas.
Thailand, yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
It's okay, fine. No, not sorry. I'm so happy that you have just landed, but you don't want to miss the class and you are
Yes,
still there.
but at least
It's
I
a
can
long flight. So it should be like quite a long flight, right? 5-6 hours.
3 hours flight, ma'am.
Yeah, but I'm so happy that you still made it in that class. Good. So we are progressing from 2 verses to 4. We have come. Speed. Half, 3/4 of the class was going for Shabda Rupavali. Now only at 20 minutes. Good. Great going. We'll still improve. And then we will reach our target of doing 10 verses in a session. And enjoying the Sanskrit bit of it, enjoying the Gita Jnana as well. And don't forget to join daily Gita. 4th chapter is going to get chanted today. So it ingrains in our mind when we are learning the verses. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 हरिः ओं श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. Hari Om, everyone. Thank you for joining. See you on next Wednesday. Hari Om.
Hari Om, Vatsha ji.
Hari Om, my dear.
Hari Om, Varsha ji.
Hari Om. Where are you hiding today?
To say truth, no, I don't have anything. That's why I'm not knowing. I should get something.
See, Sandeep thing, I have sent the link over there. And the Gita verse book, you should have a Gita in front of you. Anyways, my alarm has gone for the daily Gita. 5 minutes more. Okay, please don't hide. If you don't have any material, just message me. Let me see.
Actually, I'm
Mataji.
not having anything because no, my phone got repaired, and I was busy with my parents. They both are bedridden now. They both have passed. September 17, my mother passed away, and last month 20th, my father passed away.
Oh, you have served them your best. I know that what is happening behind the scene.
Yes.
Get strength. And yes, get back into life. Start doing Gita. And
Okay.
anyhow, just text me and let's see what I can do best for you.
Okay.
Hari
Okay.
Om, Guruji. Guruji's
Hari Om, where are you hiding?
Sorry, very.
Next week, all of you come well prepared, okay? I want all cameras on.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
But I
Hari Om.
need your help. I need your help, really. I
Ah.
need your help.
Where? What you want?
I don't have any reference, no book, nothing.
Okay. But you have your Shabda Rupali, Dhatu Rupali done or not done?
At that time, I couldn't, ma'am. Seriously, no, both were not. No, miss, every time, no, I was in hospital with my father, either for my dad or for my mother, no, both. So that time I couldn't
You are
maintain.
there in the WhatsApp group from beginning?
But my phone that got spoiled. Now new phone, that nothing is there.
Okay. Okay. I will have to work extra. Okay. I'll send everything again then. Chalo.
Okay.
Let's join daily in 4 minutes now. Okay. Hari Om. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om. Hari Om ji.